How to turn off 120 Hz on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. In the Vision section at the top, tap on Motion. On this page, you can manage various settings related to the motion of the user interface. Now, at the bottom of this page, here you will find the Limit Frame Rate option. Tap on the toggle switch beside it to turn this feature on. This sets the maximum frame rate of the display to 60 frames per second, which effectively turns off the 120 Hz promotion feature. Following these steps, you can easily turn off 120 Hz on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.